All right, find the inverse for each of the function. These are my steps over here. So what I do first is I rewrite f of x as y. So equals 3x plus 3. That's my step 1. Step 2, I swap x and y. Now step 3, I actually solve this for y. So I could subtract 3 on both sides and get x minus 3 equals 3y. And then I can divide both sides by 3. So I get x minus 3 over 3 equals y. And then finally, my fourth step would be just simply to rewrite my y as the inverse. And so x minus 3 over 3. Alright, so let's see if I can pick all this up and move it out of the way. I don't want that. See if I can, well, it won't let me. So I'm gonna do the next one over here to the side, and then I may actually erase some of this stuff. Alright, so the next one here, same thing. So I'm going to have y equals 14x cubed minus 15. That becomes x. That becomes y. I could add 15 to both sides. 14y cubed. I can divide by 14. And then I have x plus 15 over 14 equals y cubed. I can put this to the 1/3 power to solve for y. So that's my final answer as the inverse. So x plus 15 over 14 to the 1/3 power. Alright, I am going to erase this. So I have some room right here. Bum, 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 bum. I'll even move this up a little bit. Let me erase that. So now I'm going to work on this one. So once again, I have y equals 3 over x plus 15. All right, and so I am going to replace my x as my y and 3 over y plus 15. Now this one is solved for y when y is in the denominator. If I multiply both sides by y plus 15, notice that will cancel it out of the denominator. So I have my y plus 15 times x equals 3. And from here now, I need to just remember to distribute. So I have x, y plus 15x equals 3. And remember that I am trying to solve for y. So now in this case, I could actually divide every term by x. Okay, so divide every term by x. And I get y plus 15 equals 3 over x, and then finally I could subtract 15 on both sides. So that would be my final answer, my inverse. All right, and now the last one. So this one, I have y equals the cubed root of x plus 14. Switch x cubed root y plus 14. Remember, how do you get rid of a cubed root? Why not cube both sides? So I end up with x cubed equals y plus 14. Oh, it wasn't that nice. It's actually a lot easier than it looked. So I get x cubed minus 14 is my inverse function. A little messy, but that is it.